guys, my name is Rayona and welcome to my channel. This hair is from the Bequem store on Amazon. It comes with 2 wig caps and a pair of nicely packaged eyelashes. The wig is a 13x4 body wave Brazilian human hair lace front. It's 20 inches and feels really soft and thick. It's also pretty bouncy and I'm not getting a lot of shedding. The wig does have a perfumey smell to it though, and the ends look and feel full. This is what the transparent lace looks like. And on the inside of the wig you have 4 combs, adjustable straps, and additional lace. So I also curled the wig using this Remington curler on 410 degrees Fahrenheit. And I actually ended up burning my left hand with the curler, so I put the glove on that came with it. Luckily the burn wasn't bad and it healed up fine, but if you're curling hair, just be careful. So first I cut the lace, then I used this Maybelline foundation, color 360, and a small makeup brush to better match the lace to my skin tone. Next, I use this Got To Be Glued freeze spray and their styling gel to glue the front of the lace down. Then I use my Style Factor edge booster and my edge brush to create baby hairs. And I use this She Is Balm hair wax stick to tame the flyaways and make the wig look flatter. Lastly, I tied my edges down with a scarf. So this is how the wig turned out, and overall it does look nice. The curls fell a little after I plucked them out, but they still look good and uniformed. The hair also has a nice shine to it, but the tracks on top of the wig are slightly visible. You can't really see it in the video, but I noticed it. The wig is also a little frizzy and has lots of flyaways and hair going everywhere, but it does look pretty full. And the part just looks okay to me, but I didn't pluck it or bleach the knots, so it could be improved upon. But let me know what you thought of the wig. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what other videos you want to see from me. And as always, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.